Hey, what's up? Jason here, back with another short bubble tutorial. So this is how you can use lists of data within a repeating group. So one way you can do this is you can embed a repeating group within a repeating group. But let's just say you have a bunch of things that you want to display in the page, and those things have a list of, say, tags or categories or something like that. Here's a quick way you can use the formatted as text function in Bubble to show lists very quickly. Okay, so I've got my artist list here and I want to display the genres beside the artist name, and then I also want to be able to filter on that later on. So the first thing that you need to do is to create obviously a genre thing. I've just created a simple one that stores just the name, and then I've updated the artist table to show a list of genres. So I have my text element here on the page and I want this to show the list of all of the genres. So I am going to pick the data source as the current sales artist and genre. Now, since this is a list, it's going to ask me which of these things do I want to pick? Do I want the count? Do I want the first item, last item? I want each item's name, and I want to use the formatted as text option. So this is going to allow me to pick each thing out of that list and display it however I want. So this is the tricky part. The content that I want to show this text, and this text means it's whichever item in the list that this repeating group is currently looking at. So for example, if I were to pick current artist, genre, and then each item's name, and separate that with a comma and hit close, this is what I'm going to see. So it's actually going to show each item in the list, not the ones that are just associated to that artist. So I don't want to do that. I want to go back here, I want to clear this out, and I want this to be this text. So that means it's only going to be the one that's in the current list. So now if I hit close and I go back to my app and reload, click on artists, this is now just showing the artists here. So then you can do some cool things with styling these. So if I wanted to, say, wrap this with some type of tag icon, I can use Font Awesome tag. Now you will have to have the Font Awesome plugin installed to be able to do this. And once I go back to the site and refresh this, then now I'm going to see the list of tags beside each one of these. You could add some padding and some background and stuff like that to make it look more interesting, but this is a simple way you can show a list of things within a repeating group. Remember to hit like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video.